Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you're all fine and good. Today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish. You will see in this videos 40 plus stylish haircut designs. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique 40 plus attractive bob with bangs haircut designs. So dear viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. So you will see 40 plus attractive haircuts designs, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. I have uploaded modern bob haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. Dear viewers, do you have new ideas of unique haircuts designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how is my videos, so I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Viewers, you will see attractive different haircuts designs, bob haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. So viewers, visit my YouTube channel and check the all videos, check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of stylish haircut designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique bob haircut designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Gorgeous and stylish, you will see unique different haircuts ideas. This video is very helpful for you and very useful for you. So lovely viewers, watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of stylish short bob with bangs haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next video, so take care. You will see in this videos very stylish and attractive bob haircuts, so I will meet you in next video, so take care friends.